In the structure settings, you are going to edit the structure of your installation like different sites or different buildings. We have, for example, created a project called Hager EMS, in which you have different sites with different buildings. This tree structure finally represents the structure of your installation. If you want to create one more directory, click on Add, select Directory, describe it and save. From the one created, you can add a new site, describe, locate and save it. Further below, you can define the sampling reference, the source of energy according to the currency, and of course the nature of the energy source you have previously created. Once back in the structure, the directory is created with its site where I can add a new building. As usual, describe it, select the sector of activity, enter its surface, a new icon, and picture if wanted. Save it. Back to the structure. We have the directory, the site, and the building. All these settings must be repeated until it reflects your installation. This structure helps to further exploit data and to compare sites and buildings. Then, for each building, you are invited to specify the floors and corresponding rooms. For instance, this floor is dedicated to meeting rooms. Select the zone category, enter its surface, a small description, and save. Then for each floor, specify the corresponding rooms, this depending on how precisely you want to monitor the zones.